We're going to try this, see if we can do this. It might be a bit awkward, but this is a quick test. So there's your, this is a little UV light. You can buy them, you know, they're sort of cheap. It's sort of part of a glue gun thing. So what you do is you basically, you have a bit of resin in a cup like this. Sorry, it's not very clear. I can't set my camera up any better than this in this little tiny space that I have. So anyway, so what you do is you get your resin, you put a bit of resin on the brush, and you just fill in the little gap like that, and then using our little UV light, we just do that, and there we go, and we've already filled in. So now we can fill in this line along here, just a little bit of resin on a brush like so, and we can kind of build up the cracked area. It also gives it a lot more strength as well around this area, because you will need to sand it a little bit down once you've done it. So there you go, there's that other bit. So again, just hit that with the UV light. And there you go, and that's it. That's set. So you can literally paint using a little brush and some resin, and you can fill in gaps. You can fill in large gaps. You could stick a little piece of cured resin on top of a hole, and then, you know, fill it with the brush that way as well. You know, so it's just a neat way of just quickly doing repairs to things. Like on the inside here, I just want to make sure this seam is still strong. So again, I've just painted that up, and I get my little glue light again, and just a few seconds just to set it off, and there we go, and that's it. It's you know, it's all dry to the touch, and you can put it in, you know, and sort of do it again later. But there you go, that just kind of quick way of filling in holes and stuff. Hope you enjoy.